Yo, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Happy Monday. I'm excited for today. I'm very excited for today. Just getting my TikTok up. All right, now we're good. Let me know if the music's too loud. I have it, I think I have it at the right setting, but I know sometimes it can be too loud, so. Oh, man. I've been trying to prep for Singapore and Solana Breakpoint that's coming up, and like finding events and stuff like that. And I'm trying to get into this Monkey DAO one. This Monkey DAO Telegram for the actual event, but it seems to, it's giving me a hard time. It's giving me a hard time. Firm. All right, let's do this one. Select the network. Boom. All right. Confirm. Oh, I'm excited for the new trading strategy I have. Why does he keep doing that? I'm excited for the new trading strategy I have, from the VWAP to the EMA and everything. I think it's going to be really good. Like, I think it's going to help me be a way more profitable trader. Gosh darn it. Whatever. And I'm excited to share it with you guys so you guys can actually become more profitable traders too. I hope you guys see the opportunity here with the day trading. In the Discord, I share my weekly like performance. Like, hey, if you're watching my streams and stuff and you want to see like at the end of every week, am I profitable? Like, what am I making actually in a week? At the end of every week, I share my performance. I share if I was profitable or if I lost money that week. And then also, because the month ends basically this Friday, I'll be showing you also my 30-day performance on my account to show you that, like, hey, at the end of my month, what am I profitable or am I not profitable at the end of the month? So you guys can kind of see, like, with my trading strategies, am I actually a good trader or am I actually crap? And I can actually prove it to you with the accounts I have and like show you my P&L and all that stuff too. So that hopefully it just builds more trust between you and I that as traders. So if you're here, go join up in the Discord. We got now 50 people in the Discord. So I'm pretty stoked about that. To have 50 of you guys that watch my streams, that like watch my content and all that stuff. You guys are in there, and yeah, 50 already. My goal is to hit 100 in there, and I would like to do potentially an event this week. Black Ops 6, the beta comes out too this week. I think it's this weekend, but I'm not gonna do something this weekend. But maybe Friday night this week, we do like a game night in the Discord. So if you want to take part in like game nights and stuff we do, hop in the Discord. We'll be doing a whole bunch of stuff. I mean, this Discord isn't even a month old, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, the code is right on the screen. That code is an infinite amount of people can use that code and get in. So go ahead, use that and hop in there, because I'm excited. I want to start doing like Tuesday morning calls in there, like early morning calls, so you guys can we can do some TA in the morning in there before we get active on our day and start actually trading. So you guys can even get more of me even outside of Monday, Wednesday, Friday. You'll get private calls with me just on oh, I just got a message from one of the Monkey DAO guys trying to help me out. Oh, that's nice. Super Simon is helping me out, actually. He just contacted me and just reached out to help me. I think he maybe saw me trying to get in. Try again after my live stream to see if I can get it to work. Because I'm trying to prepare for the Singapore, and there's a Telegram group just for the, like, I think it's like the group of Monkey DAO guys that are going to Singapore, and they know I'm going to Singapore. I was also with these guys in New York, so they're super nice. Like the Monkey DAO people, I don't know if you guys know who Monkey DAO is, but they're amazing people. Like they're friendly. They literally take care of you. Like I got a hotel with them and stuff. They give you like a bunch of merch and gifts, and then they book really nice hotels. And I really like the Monkey DAO group. They're amazing people. Like Stroll, Super Simon, Jemmy. There was a lot more that we met too. And yeah, I'm excited for Solana Breakpoint. I'm super bummed though. I was really hoping to go to the karate like crypto fight, which I still think I'm gonna go. But Jakey broke his elbow, like, or fractured his elbow or something, like something gnarly, and he had to cancel his fight, and I'm just like so bummed for him that he got like really injured. Because that's just like, I know he was super stoked for this fight. I know he's super stoked to like do this, and then he got hurt. I don't know. I don't even know how he got hurt. I imagine that he's gonna put out a video soon of what the heck happened. But poor guy he got wrecked. Like he had to have emergency surgery, I think on Friday or Saturday. And so I hope he's doing well. I don't know if he's watching the stream or not, but Jakey, if you're watching the stream, or like Steve or any of the guys on his team, tell Jakey I hope he's feeling better, because that was crazy when I saw the photos and stuff. I was like, oh man, poor guy. But yeah, that was a bummer. But I do want to go to one of those crypto fights that are happening, because I think it'd be a really fun event. Yeah, it's like karate. I forget. There's also Ashley, one of the other crypto influencers, is fighting in the event. So let me see if I can find it. It was it's like Karate Combat. That's what it's called. Karate Combat. Let me find the account real fast. Probably just look it up. Karate Combat. I'm like pretty sure it's that. Yep, this is it. Yeah, the crypto influencer. Oh, go to karate.com/app. Dude, yes. I'm going to this. I'm going to the Singapore one. I have no idea. Hopefully, actually, I can't really say that, because what if it costs like a truckload? If it costs too much, I won't. I imagine it costs money to get in, like tickets. But I'll see play up only gaming, get the Karate Combat web app. Nah, I just want to see what the tickets are. Let me screen share so you guys can see what I'm looking at too. All right, this is the karate combat. It's like the crypto, bro. The stadium too, like the mat is sick. It's not like a cage. It's like a octagon with angled slopes. Like, I think it's dope. Events right here. Okay, let's see. Luis Roca. I have no idea. Verse. Where is this? KC49. Oh, Singapore. Here we go. Singapore. Okay, so this is it. KC49. KC49, Luis Roca. I'm not even going to try. I don't want to butcher that. Buy tickets. KC49 is taking place on September 18th at the Incredible Marina Bay Sands, Singapore. Karate Combat in collaboration with Token 20. I want to look at that too. Where's the tickets? There's no bad seat in the house. Buy tickets. Okay, I thought I clicked that already. KC49. What? How did you hear about this? First name, email. What type of ticket are you looking for? Oh man, I don't even. Well, I kind of want to know how much. Like, how much is a VIP and how much is a general admission? If you're in the chat, do you know? And if you know how much this costs, could you tell me real fast? Do you guys know what like the difference is here? I would like to know both. Can I click both? Oh, I can. Does it say up here? If you'd like to pre-register your interest in buying a ticket, please fill out this form and we'll send you a link to secure a spot when our ticketing page goes live. Seats are limited. Okay. What about this? Token 24, the world's largest crypto event. 20,000 attendees. Oh, but we're going to the Solana one. Oh, this is to buy tickets for the token 2049. I don't really want this. I'm going to the Solana Breakpoint one. Yeah, I'm going to Solana, but I do want this. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this not on stream. I'll do that later. That's boring. Boring. We're not doing that on stream. All right, guys. So I'm really excited because I think my streams are about to change in regards to how active we can take trades with this new strategy I have. Because this new strategy presents a lot of opportunities, a lot like consistently and like strong opportunities, if that makes sense. And like I've been waiting for the retest on this VWAP, which is the blue line right there. But yeah, we have our new strategy, which is the EMA, the VWAP, and volume. Those are my new indicators that I'm watching closely. We're on the 5-minute time frame, so I kind of, and my new strategy is like 5-minute, 15-minute, even like maybe integrating the 1 hour a little bit on there to get like the longer time frame. Like I'll show you 1 hour. What is this? No. 1 hour we have, right, the bigger view. The 9 has crossed the 20. The 50-day is pretty low. Prices drop below the 50, right? You get a bigger kind of sense of the time frame. You drop down to the 15-minute, right? We got this little wedge formation that we have here. Price broke out of the wedge. It was a rising wedge, right? Price broke out. And now I'm looking on the 5-minute. I'm looking for the price to test the VWAP and look for an entry there on the VWAP, because I think we're going to get one pretty soon. Price has gotten pretty close. And when, let me just explain something to you real fast. The VWAP's this blue line, right? Let me hide everything so it's pretty clear. Okay. So we're just focusing in on the VWAP real fast. Okay. We're just focusing on the VWAP. The VWAP is this blue line. It's volume weighted average. Price. What is it again? Let me look it up. I forget what it stands for. We'll look it up right now. Oh, no way. It also has it abbreviated. VWAP stands for. A volume weighted average price. Okay, volume weighted average price. That's our indicator. That's that blue line, the VWAP. Okay, if price is underneath the VWAP, which it currently is, we're looking for sell opportunities or short opportunities. So here on my screen, right, you see buy or sell. We should be in a short, or long or short. We should be in a short. Okay, so if price is below the VWAP, we're looking for short opportunities. If price is above the VWAP, we're looking for long opportunities. Okay, so right now, currently, I am looking to enter a short opportunity. Now, the 9, so the 9 on the EMA, the 9-day moving average, is also an important indicator, because that is showing, like, is price holding this line, right? So here you can see price is very much like here, you see the move, then price is holding this 9, right? I want to see price touch the VWAP, then break down below the 9 again. That would be a good indicator that we're holding this bearish trend. Or if, for me, if price doesn't touch the VWAP, but price begins breaking below the 9 and holding that, I'll probably enter a position too. So I'm looking at those two things. Ideally, I enter at the VWAP when it retests the VWAP, and then I write a short position. I was just shy of being able to enter on this one. I just missed it. I was like, what is that, 7:10? Yeah, I think I got to my computer at like 7 a.m., but like everything was warming up, and so it took a little while. I just missed this move, and so I've been watching it kind of as it's been consolidating right here in this little area. But I think soon we're gonna get another push down. We're in like a little consolidation zone, but I think we're gonna get our next opportunity of downward momentum. But yeah, so now you got the 20-day moving average, which is my green line that you just saw pop up on the screen, and then my 50-day moving average, which is the red line that just popped up, and that just kind of helps show me my trend. And when these are all below the VWAP 2, that's also a bearish signal, right? When these are all above the VWAP, like you can see over here, right? These are above the VWAP, right alongside of it, above the VWAP, right? Bullish trend. Bearish trend. When it starts breaking below the VWAP, bearish trend. See, bullish trend above the VWAP. I think this is the trade we caught. Wait, no, sorry. Wait, was this the trade we caught on Friday? Or was it over here? This one. Sunday. Or was it over here? Saturday. We caught one of these. It was just on Friday. Friday, August 23rd. It was like right here. We caught this move. Yeah. And then it went really nice. I missed that though. How high did it go? 162. Yeah, I was bummed because I was working super late on Friday. I put my stop loss super tight. I could have made 5 figures in profit, but I wasn't able to pay attention because I was at the beach doing this event, and I was so bummed. Beard was like DMing me on Discord like, yo, are you like up? Are you up, dude? It's so good. And then I was like, no, man, I got stopped out. But I'm stoked. I think we're gonna get some good opportunities here. And price is just bouncing right around the 9. Right around the 9 right here. I want to see a candle. Like, see how this keeps breaking the 9, going down, but then coming right back? I want to see it break the 9 and then another bearish candle, and then I'll probably enter for a short position, or wait for it to touch the VWAP. We'll see. We'll see what comes first. But I'm still also kind of learning this strategy. So this is a fresher strategy, but over the weekend, I was doing some research on the VWAP, the volume indicator, which let me turn that back on, like how to read the volume. What does this mean? What I understand is when you see these, like, see on the volume right here, see how you have this massive spike that's like 5 times the length of these other ones, right? This one, massive spike out of nowhere, like very flat, then massive spike. With what I understand and what I learned over the weekend, those are like exhaustion spikes, right? So that is almost an indicator that we're gonna have a trend flip. So as you can see here, it was an indicator of that massive spike. That's unusual in a bullish spike. And then we got a bearish trend right here, massive exhaustion spike. Then it flipped the trend, right? So I'm excited to kind of understand volume now, right? Massive sell exhaustion spike, bullish trend. See that? So I learned that about volume too. And I think we're with this massive bullish exhaustion spike, we're seeing some normality. I want to ride this bearish trend until I see some bearish exhaustion spikes like this one over here to see if I should start flipping my trend and preparing for a long move. But yeah, good morning, everyone. We got about 26 people in here so far this morning. Thank you so much for being in here. If you can, like the stream, share it, comment, whatever. It's super appreciated. And any interaction is very helpful for what we're doing out here, the work we're putting in on this content. And yeah, so if you're able to, please give the stream a like, share it, comment, interact however you'd like. And we would greatly appreciate it. Oh, I just realized my wallet is in my wallet wasn't attached. Okay. Oh, see, look at that. We got 2 minutes and 30 seconds. If this candle goes bearish and closes below this 9, I think I might enter on it. We'll see though. This actually could have been an opportunity here too. No, it's not. Could have been though. Maybe. Oh, my coffee went cold. Mohammed, hey, good morning. Meritis. Dude, that's awesome. Good morning, Mohammed. I hope you're having a good day. Happy Monday. At least it's Monday for me. I don't know if it's still Monday for you. I think I remember you saying you're like in Africa. Am I correct on that? I remember they said they were watching from Africa on my streams. That might mean you're a day ahead of me, or you're at nighttime actually, like your day's ending. But good morning, happy Monday. If your day's ending, I hope you had a great Monday. If your day's just starting, I hope your day's gonna be blessed and absolutely killer. So while we're waiting for this trade to kind of actually, let's wait. We got 56 seconds. I want to see what this does, because if this does what I think it's gonna do, stop loss would be like right here. 7.93. I think we might actually have an opportunity right here. Right here. If this closes out like this, I might enter on this trade right here. What's that price? 158.47. .28. Let's do that. All right. Okay, it's closed below the 9, but I'm kind of waiting to see what this next candle kind of does. Let me see the Heiken Ashi too. It's not very strong. Like, see how it's very indecisive here? Right here, it's very indecisive. It's not strong moves. So I'm kind of interested to see what is going on here. But it looks like it's holding the 9. That white line right here. On an island next to Madagascar. That's awesome. That's so cool. Yep, it's 20. Okay, so it's like, yeah, it's late for you right now. It is late night for you. It's almost probably Tuesday for you now. I've never been to Madagascar. I think oh, see, I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad I didn't put that in. It's not a very strong move. It's not showing me good, strong momentum. Yeah. I really, really, really want to test on this VWAP. I would love that. Test on the VWAP and then push down. Okay, while we're waiting, because I don't see something right now. What was I gonna? Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna do. Let's go to Magic Eden. I want to give you guys some updates on our. Let's see where our NFTs are at this morning. See where we're at. Usually Mondays are kind of like a slow day for NFTs. They're not like a great day in regards to the move. D guys, it looks like they're down a little bit from what we looked at on Monday. I think they were at 35 on Friday. So looks like they're down a little bit, but still holding above that 30 soul floor. Still good. Fuzzy D gods, about back where we entered in at. So they're doing good. They were at 7 on Friday. So they're down a little bit. The one I'm really interested in is how's Super Base doing? How's Super Base doing? Did I miss him? Let's see how they're doing. Especially after Jakey got hurt. Let's see what happened. Oh, they're down. They're down a little bit. I'm still up in regards to when I purchased, but they're down a little. They're on 0.8. I think I bought at 0.7, so I'm not really worried. And I'm kind of waiting for a long-term hold. They got a lot of stuff come in, and now Jakey got hurt, so that was like a little thing that that's kind of a bummer for him. And things like that can affect the collection, right? So, but I'm not worried. I'm holding these for a while. And then also I want to check. Let's check our Catalina whales. See what's going on there. The Catalina. Ooh, they're down. Wait, no. Where did I buy mine? Where did I buy mine? Did I buy mine at 4? They're down a little bit, but so they're down about 1 soul here. Okay, but the floor is very thin. Like, look, this is 3 soul, but look right here. You just right a little bit lower, you're back to 4. So they don't have a bunch. They don't have like a big wall. Their listings are pretty low, 338. And yeah, they're very thin. Like if you look at the bottom of the screen, right? So this is kind of the floor. And to the bottom of the screen in the bottom right, you already see 8.3. So these can easily, with just the simplest amount of volume, can run to 8 very quickly. So I'm not too worried. They have a very thin floor. Like usually if you're looking at this screen, right, from this corner to the bottom right corner down here, which you can't see, my head's in the way right now. But behind me is the bottom right of what I can see. Usually it'd be maybe 1 Solana more than whatever the floor is. But right now, to the bottom right corner of my screen, behind where I'm looking, it's 5 SOL difference, which is very unlikely. So that's a very, very, very thin floor for an NFT. So if any kind of volume starts running, they can easily run to 8 SOL, 7 SOL very quickly. So I'm actually pretty stoked about that. That's actually pretty bullish look. And then D gods, let's see what they're sitting at, 33.11. Oh, laser eyes on the floor. Man, I really want to get another one of these. I really want to get another one. Dang. That one is 39. That's kind of crazy. This one's sick with the mustache. I need one with the mustache. I need one with a mustache. Let me see. Let's do the filters, and we're just going to see the mustache. Mouth. Is it this one? Yeah. Dude, this one right there is sick. Or this one right there. That one's sick. That one's a little too pricey in my opinion. Too high on the floor. That one should be probably a little lower, but that one's sick though. So is this one. That one's really dope. I would love a Joker. Oh my gosh. I love the Viper. Have you guys seen this trait? This trait is insane, dude. It's such a dope trait. But that's very expensive to buy one of those. 211. Or it could be an absolute steal, right? If they go back to like 1,000 soul like we were talking about when they're peaks, it could be an absolute steal. I like that. All right, quick check in on the NFTs. Quick check in, see how they're doing. All right, let's see. It's going down. Oh, I think it's actually kind of holding. All right, I think I'm gonna do a. Yeah, I'm gonna do a position here. 157.63. Okay. And then I'm gonna wait for, or actually, let's see. Let me go back to this candles. Looks like it's holding the 9. I think I'm gonna enter this. Let me go back to the Heiken Ashi. And I'm gonna put my stop loss at the previous candle. 157.79. 0.79. All right. I'm gonna short this. I think we're holding this 9 right here. Okay, I think I'm in. Yep. All right. So now you can see my position right there. Can you guys see that? Yep, you guys can all see that. Okay. So I'm pretty excited about this new strategy. If we'll see how this is my first trade from Friday, which Friday was actually a very good week or a very good day. I think we made about $4,000 on Friday from our trade that we did using the strategy. And so today I'm hoping to make a little bit more of these scalps, going kind of back to the scalp trading. And yeah, I'm excited to really implement this strategy like this. We'll see how this goes. Yeah, I like that this candle right there wicked off of it, and now this one's very bearish. Yeah, we want bearish right now. We're in sells, right? So I'm not in a long position. I'm in a short position, and I'm looking for. Let's see. Let's get my short position indicator out. Short position. We entered here, right? We entered here. Okay. Stop loss is here. Okay. And then we're looking for about a 2-to-1. 2-to-1. Okay. So my TP would be about right down there. We'll see how it goes. See what the next Heiken Ashi is. Awesome. So right now we're actually in the negative. We needed to break above our entry right about here. And I'm going to drop my stop loss right now to the bottom of the previous candle that just closed on this 5-minute. Just to minimize our risk a little bit. I think we'd lose now like, I think when I last saw it was like $600 or something like that. So we'll see it. I'm hoping to ride a little bit of a dip like this. I'm hoping we make a new low. So I'd want to see price break this low right here. Right? I want to see price break that line. I remember, why did I enter this trade? Price is holding below the 9. The 9, which is that white line. That's the 9-day moving average, okay? That's why I entered this trade. Price is holding it below it. Oh, look at that. Wow, I just got stopped out. I'm pretty sure I just got stopped out. That flipped. Wow, did you guys see that? Did I get stopped out? Or did it not? Maybe it's so fast that it actually didn't. No, it should have. Let's see. Let me refresh. It should have stopped me out on that. That's kind of nerve-wracking. Huh. Dude, if it did not stop me out on this. That was really fast. I might close this out. Oh, no, it did. It did. There we go. It did stop me out. Okay. Yeah. It's close. There's like a little bit left in that position. It did stop me out. Okay. I was glad. I always hate it when it does that. And if it wicks off quickly and if it doesn't go past your stop loss, right? So see, that's why I put it tight. Just in case if it didn't hold that. So hopefully now it tests that VWAP. So the 9 didn't hold. Now I'm hoping it tests that VWAP. There we go. So as I'm learning, now I think I just learned the 9 isn't as strong as an indicator as it is probably for the VWAP when you're entering a correction, right? So I'm right. I missed this, right? I missed this downward move. Okay, so I'm late to the trend, right? I should have been able to enter up here. Would have been ideal, right? When price broke, let's look at the candles, right? When price broke the VWAP here, I should have entered right here. This should have been my entry, but I missed it, right? So I'm late to the trend. I'm late to this downward trend. Now I need to find my entry on this new bearish trend so I can also join in on the trend. But I need to find the most optimal entry. And I think if we get a retest on the VWAP here would be the most optimal entry, because I think this 9 is not as great as I thought it would be as an indicator. I thought with this candle right here, see this blue candle, how it pushed down and held below the 9. I thought that would have been the indicator for me. But now that I'm learning this new one, okay, that's not as strong as an indicator as it's consolidating and figuring things out. Because right now we got this little like wedge forming. Right? We got this little wedge. Or a channel, really. I really just wanted to tap the VWAP. Do a retest on that. Because then if we get that retest on the VWAP, then I can do a little new trend line from this peak to that peak. So we lost, let's see, on that trade, we'll go to the 24-hour. We lost, oh, that's not accurate. How do I see? I wish it showed better. Doesn't really show my losses very good. Then I go here. I don't know. I know it was less than $800 that we lost on that one. Balances. Okay. Okay. Close these out so it looks a little cleaner. Okay. There we go. Come on. Give us the VWAP. Bro, the name of that too is just kind of funny. VWAP. And just so you know, if you guys are watching right now, we are trading Solana. That's our preferred trading coin. And we are on the 5-minute time frame. Okay? 5-minute time frame using the VWAP, EMAs, and volume. All right? And we're currently looking at normal candles, but a lot of times I'll also look at Heikin-Ashi. I kind of prefer Heikin-Ashi over anything. But I do like looking with this new strategy at candles, because candles kind of show you like where is price like really bouncing off, right? But I'm gonna watch Heikin-Ashi to see how Heikin-Ashi tests this VWAP. Oh. Also had this wedge that this is the wedge I saw from this big bullish move right here. I also noticed after that move, there's this little wedge formation that we have, which I looked at it from the hour. See that little wedge formation broke out. See how strong that is. I'm newer to the wedges and like kind of these formations like this, so I think I'm doing that right, but I could be wrong on the wedge formations. That's something I'm still kind of learning. Let's go 15-minute. Yeah, I think we're gonna come up and test. Oh, not 3-minute, 5-minute. Can I favorite these? No. Okay. Yeah, look at that. What I would love to see is, let's go to my trading view so you get a little better view. What I would love to see is a retest on the VWAP and then a bearish engulfing candle like this guy right here. Like this guy right here. Not this guy. These guys weren't very great, but like this one right here. Retest in this area, big bearish engulfing candle, pop. That's what I would really like to see with the Heikin-Ashi. There we go. Here it's coming now. There we go. Okay, so now we're looking for that retest on this blue line, that light blue line right there. We're looking for price to touch that. That's the VWAP. Okay. Let me just do this so you guys literally just see that. We're looking for price to touch this. Okay. Just so you guys don't get confused on all the lines on my screen. That other indicator was the SMA. So then it's got all my other indicators, but let's just look at the VWAP. We want price to just tap this and then look for a sell opportunity. Just like kind of here, right? You had this bullish move, right? You had price fall, touch the VWAP, actually break through, go bullish move, right? Here, bearish move, breaks below, retests the VWAP, good short opportunity, not really a good one. That's not a really good example. But then here, price breaks out of the VWAP, pushes up, right? Here, retest the VWAP, pushes up. So we're looking essentially for these bullish moves, but flipping it, right? Inversing it for a bearish move, right? And so to see it mess around at the VWAP, play around here, catch that short. So we're looking for prices go here, maybe mess around a little, like go, right, a little consolidation, and then move down. Oh, nope. Right? Oh, that's a horrible one. Let me redo that. So we're on price, touch the VWAP, maybe do some consolidating, and then a nice push down. Right? So consolidate, push down. That's what I'm kind of looking for. I want to see what price does, if it even does test the VWAP. Just like it did in these, for these long moves. Consolidating, breaks out. Consolidating, breaks out. It's getting very close. Like, where's a good short opportunity example? Oh, here we go. So kind of like over here, right? We had this big breakdown. We had this big breakdown. Retest the VWAP up here. Move down. Right? Retest the VWAP. Move down. Right? Then it goes up here, retest the VWAP, but now it's a flip, a flipping trend, right? Boom. Ride that long position up. So that's what I'm looking for here. Looking for that retest for the bearish, for a short position. And if you're in here, if you're watching, if you want to have more access to me and my community and others who are trading or others that are like-minded and love Solana and just are active in the space, hop in the Discord. The code is on the screen. We'd love to have you. There's currently 50 people in the Discord. And so our goal is to get to 100. We don't really have an end date on that goal, but goal is just to get to 100. I would love to have 100 of you guys in there. We're going to do potentially a game night this week. We'll see if we have any, like, maybe I'll just do it and I'll play a game, and then if any of you can join or not, if any of you end up joining, you can. But we'll do a little test and maybe do like a Call of Duty game night tonight, just to hang out with the community, maybe get to chat and get to know some of you guys, and just get to kind of hang out. That's really what would be the goal. But maybe this Friday night, we'll do it. We'll do a little game night. And Black Ops 6 comes out this weekend. Or not comes out, but like the beta testing. Let me see something on the SMMA. Yeah, nope. I wanted to touch the VWAP. I'm going to be patient. I'm just going to be patient and wait for it to touch the VWAP. Because I also want to make myself more diligent in regards to only taking a certain amount of trades a day. Like, I don't want to just keep taking a trade, keep taking a trade if it's not working. One, that'll help me lose less money in a day. And two, it'll help me be more disciplined in my trades. And so I want to be more mindful of like limiting myself to how many trades I can take in a day. I'm thinking doing only like maybe 3 or 4 a day if I'm doing this scalping strategy, if it comes up, right? So if I only have 3 or 4 trades a day to make money or have an opportunity, I need to use those wisely. So I would rather wait for this currently to test the VWAP. And if I only have 3 opportunities to do this, I've already used 1, right? We tested 1 on the 9, didn't work. So I only have 2 more to use today. Or 3. If I'm gonna, I don't know if I should do 4 or 3. I don't know. I think it'll be if I lose another trade today, I'll just say give myself 1 more opportunity. Right? If I off the bat lose 2, I only get 3. If I'm winning that day, I can do 4. But really, I would hope it'd only be 1 trade a day. Let's look at the hiking at. If I could do 1 profitable trade a day once I get this strategy down, that'd be awesome. I'm not loving this. Just go up a little bit, right up to this guy. I'll be right back. I've been chugging water all morning, and I need to go use the restroom real quick. So I'll be right back. All right. We're fast. Okay. Heck yeah. We got 40 viewers in here. Let's go. I always love seeing you guys like in here watching, supporting. Like, thank you guys so much. All right, price. Come on. I want to see something real fast. I want to see something. We're going to change the color on this because it looks very much like our other trend line. I'm going to change it to orange. Yo, I'm like pretty sure that's accurate. Right? Down move. Rising wedge if I'm accurate, right? Rising wedge. Let's see. Real quick. Let's do a little let's go to our little chart that we've used in the past. I want to make it smaller so I can look at the chart. Okay. Images. Oh, wow. That's tiny. See if this clears up. Come on. Gotta click on it. Why is it so blurry? There we go. Okay. Okay, reversal patterns. All right, so we want a downward move, right? If you look on here, we have, if you look on here, we have this big downward move. So on this trading chart pattern, we need to see downward move, right? First, right? So here, downward move, bearish falling wedge. No, we don't have any of those. So I think we're in, if I'm reading this right, this is a continuation pattern. And we're getting this, like a bearish pennant or a bearish rising wedge. Like, do you see that? Right? I think we're getting like something like this. Or no. This one right here. Bearish rising wedge. Which even if I could do like this. See that? Yeah, that's more accurate. Sorry. See how it's like a rising wedge? And looks like this guy right here. I think I'm reading that right. I also would love to see if I take a position, like see how there's this sharp move on the VWAP on the long side, or like this inclined move on the VWAP, that for this bearish move. I think I'm pretty accurate on this chart pattern here. I'm like, I think that's a rising wedge, and I think I did that correctly. I always get so nervous with doing the like chart patterns and stuff like that, because like when you're learning, right? I've only been really trading heavily like in futures like this and on crypto for now almost 9 months. And so these chart patterns were something I'm like, how do I make sure I'm reading it correctly when I draw it? And I think I'm reading this one correctly. If someone's in here that is maybe more experienced, be like, yeah, I think that's a right wedge if you agree with me. Or give me in the chat a thumbs up if you agree that that's a good wedge, that's what that's forming, or thumbs down. We're like, nah, I don't think that's it. Put it in there. If you see what I'm seeing and you think I'm accurate or not. Or what I might wait too, what could be a good indicator is if price breaks out of this wedge, right? This pennant that's forming on the downside. That could be also another indicator on the 5 minute. Let's see what the 15 minute's doing. $15-minute. It's pinching. It's really getting it. I really wanted to touch this though. That's what if I could pick anything, it touches the VWAP. Like here, it tests this line again, moves up toward the top, and the VWAP like pushes into our line. And then we tap the VWAP like right here, and then we hold that move outside the rising wedge. Right? Like let's see if I can draw it out what I would want. I'd want VWAP to enter down into this, like get right here, right to the top here, then have price come from the bottom of this part of the wedge, tap the top of the wedge and the VWAP, then break out of our wedge, and we ride that. So my ideal entry would be here with the price testing the VWAP if VWAP goes down to this top of this wedge, and then ride it outside of that. We'll see if the VWAP ends up going close to our wedge though. I'm going to leave my drawings there. Let's change. We're going to change our drawing colors to yellow. And to see if I'm like potentially accurate. And we'll make them a little transparent so they're not as bright. And we'll see if I can guesstimate this move. All right, so yellow color is my guess of what's going to happen next. Of what I would like price to do is tap down here, move back up to the top of this rising wedge. VWAP comes closer. And maybe VWAP doesn't necessarily go inside, but maybe the VWAP goes even like here, right outside our wedge, right? Before it does like a dip. But I'll just draw where I would like right in between like these lines is what I would love to see the VWAP go. And then have price come up here, get pretty close and test it, and then bounce off. And if this new strategy works today, like I think it will, after I did my looking into, after I've been waiting for Monday, because I don't like to trade on the weekends because I try to keep that time for like my wife and getting chores done around the house and just being more present at home. Is when I have trades open, it's in my back of my mind. I was like, I'll use this time instead to just learn about these new indicators I have for fun, because I just like learn. Like if I'm gonna watch videos, I like to watch videos that are educating me and teaching me something. And so I did that this weekend, and so I was really stoked that on Monday we're gonna prepare. We're gonna use the stuff we learned. We're gonna use the new indicators, and I think if this strategy works today, if we can actually catch what I want, this will be a very powerful tool for daily profit, like being like a really consistently profitable trader daily. And then I'm hoping that translates to the streams, that every time we're streaming, like I can show you guys, boom, we're taking wins, right? In the Discord, I'm showing you guys, boom, we're taking wins. I can show you my P&L on the week, right? Like, man, I'm really stoked. That's been my goal this year. Become a consistently profitable trader, not a trader that like just looks for these like 100x's or these meme coin pumps or whatever. No, I can every single day look at the chart, find the trade, and be consistently profitable every single day, every single week, every single month. So then now I'm actually consistent and can trust myself and know that I'm actually a good trader. not just someone who gets lucky on a meme coin or on an NFT or whatever. But yeah, that's the goal here for me this year. And we're 9 months in, and I've been able to be profitable. Like this month, I'm still profitable. I think this month we made almost 9 grand so far, and August isn't done. We still got the end of the week. So I'm excited for it. I'm excited for this. See what Heikenashi's doing. Yeah. Just I know it's pretty boring. Oh man. Oh, my head hurts. I don't know if it's my hat or what. Price is moving towards that little area I was talking about. Right to that line. It almost tested it here, right? It got pretty close. Maybe we'll test it on this candle or something, but it came close to testing right where I was saying. And now we need price to just move to this orange line. There he goes. It's going to hit the bottom of that wedge. If you guys are watching right now, if you have any questions on what you're seeing, please throw them in the chat. I would love to answer questions, help you guys understand anything that maybe is confusing that you're seeing on the screen. So please, if you ever have questions, just let me know in the chat, and I would love to answer some of those questions for you guys. There we go. It's getting close. There we go. Touch the bottom of our wedge, please. Touch the bottom of that wedge. Oh my gosh. I'm going to show you guys something real fast. Let me move this over my head so you guys see the price and we can still watch it. But I want to show you guys this real fast. I just got this notification. Breaking: Telegram CEO Durov charged on 12 criminal counts. Bro, what did this guy do? Is it in French? I can't read that. Oh, I can't read that. Well, I can't read the document. But it looks like he got... Oh, here we go. Here's a source. Oh, the price is about to touch the bottom of our wedge over here, too. You guys watching that? Oh, it's all in French. Oh, here we go. Press release. Wait. I don't know. I wish I could translate this. I don't know what the heck he got charged for, but any updates anywhere else? Oh, oh my gosh, this is Jakey's elbow. Jakey, I told you guys that Jakey got his broke his elbow, dude. Oh my gosh, that thing is gnarly, dude. Let me show you guys some of his pictures. That's him out of surgery. This is him. This is him like right when it happened. He got wrecked. I think he got in a crash. They were doing like 4x4s and stuff, and I think he got in a crash. That'd be my guess. Oh, look at price. I want to get that nice and big. Let's see. Does it break out of this wedge or does it hold? I think it's going to hold here and retest back up here. I could be wrong, but I think it's still going to do what I think it will do and potentially test the VWAP. But let's see. It could break out. And if it breaks out, I might take that trade if it breaks this wedge. Let's see what it does. We need to wait though for this even though price is outside of the wedge, we need to wait for the close and then also the next candle, because this candle doesn't really mean much until the next candle closes, right? So like this, right? We have a minute and 20 seconds. It can still wick right back in and do this or like this. Like see how this one, oh, it's going to break out. Nope. Wicked right back up. So, and we saw how fast it can move when I got stopped out. It literally went from doing good to boom, you're done. I would prefer though it to touch the VWAP. It looks, if you look up here, it looks like the VWAP went kind of flatter, not coming down here. All right, 37 seconds left. I'm interested to see what the next candle is. So this one looks like it's closing actually outside the wedge. This next candle could be an indicator of breakout of the wedge or a pushback in. Oh, let's see. Oh, let's see. All right, 10 seconds on this candle. And we'll see what it does. All right, what is this next one? Is it going to push down further? Or is it going to push back into the wedge? It could actually. Oh, see, it's pushing back into the wedge. Yo, is it gonna do like my exact drawing? That'd be awesome. Or this could be a retest before it pushes down. I think that's actually more accurate to what the wedge is. Yeah, that's more accurate, I think, for the wedge. Oh, look at that. What is price gonna do here? It's pushing outside the wedge that we have, at least. Oh, wow, look at that. Let me see something real quick. Oh, look at that. It wicked off the 9. It wicked off the 9 and outside of our wedge. Yeah, this might be... Let me go to my other... Let me make it look like the other one real quick. Right, is that how I have it? Or it's orange. All right, and then let's add all these back. Why does this one look different? This one's 5 minute. This one's 5 minute. Why does this one look different? I'm doing something different here. 10 seconds? Oh man, I feel like this might be an entry opportunity. Let me put it over here. I want to see this guy. Yeah, I think I'm going to go short here. Man, I'm like hesitant because I'm like learning, you know? I'm hesitant. Because I'm also hesitant. Why does this one look different? 5 minute Solana. Candles. Okay. We got this top line. Okay, that's the same. We got this bottom line to this bottom line. So that's not even the same. And it looks different. Like literally the chart is different here. Do you guys see that? From this bottom to this bottom, this has like a lower wick. 5 minute. I'm on normal candles. This is on normal candles. The charts are different. This isn't outside the wedge. This is outside the wedge. That's kind of a... I don't quite know what to do with that there. And let's see Heiken Ashi if that shows something different. Nah, dude. They're different. They're literally completely different charts. I mean, man. I think I'm going to go off this one. Because this is where I actually put in my trade. This is not where I put in my trade. I wish I could put the same drift one inside of here, but they don't have Solana on drift. Sol perp. Yeah, they don't have it. Let's go dash. Yeah, no, they don't have it. Oh well. Oh well. All right, let's go over to this one because we're gonna more focus on whatever this chart's saying because this is where we actually put in our trades. So I want to focus in on this chart instead of the other one because the other one seems to be different than this one, but this is where we're putting our trade in. So I'd rather focus in on this. If that makes sense. I hope that made sense of why I'm not using the other chart and I'm using this one. But they're literally different. Like they're different, but they're not. At the same time, like they have the same pattern, but this low is lower than the other low. The other one was like this, where this one was like, where this one's like that. We'll see. Okay, I'll try to draw to my other. We want price to do this. We want price to come here, here, and then break out. That's what we want. Let's change that to yellow. Or I guess we'll just change it to orange. We'll keep all of these drawings orange. But that's the goal. Price to come down to the bottom of the wedge, retest, and pop out. That was really weird that was doing that. And then here, we want the VWAP to kind of come down to this area. Or actually, sorry. Come down to like this area to where we can almost retest the VWAP too. Like do a little, like see how this one went down a little bit, then went down a little bit, like, yeah, see, good thing I did not put in a trade. That other chart would have messed me up. It's all about the VWAP right now. That's what we're focused in on. Let's put these away. We just want to see price touch. This is the fake VWAP. We want price to like tap right up here. Oh. CDRE, welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for being in here. We got 50 people in the stream right now. I love it. I wonder if all of you are in the Discord too. We have 50 members. So are 50 of you in the Discord right now? You're the homies? You guys are the ones that are the OGs in the Discord, the first ones in the community? Heck yeah. That'd be awesome. Literally all of you are in here with me. All right, Price. Let's go up there. Let's go to the top of that wedge, all right? Huh. I just realized is the I think my Streamlabs music stopped. There we go. We got music now in the background again. Good thing I did not take that trade. That was weird that the chart was doing that. Well, this is the boring part of just waiting for a trade to go in. It's not much fun. Not much fun at all. Let's look into what happened with the Telegram founder. That was kind of insane. I want to. We'll put this in the corner so you guys can still see it. But let's look into what happened with the Telegram founder, because I want to know what happened with him. What happened to founder of Telegram? Pavel, French police have arrested the founder of Telegram. What happened next? Should change the course of big tech? Doubt it. It's just Telegram. On his private jet last Saturday, he was greeted by police who promptly arrested him. As the founder of the direct messaging platform Telegram, he was accused of facilitating the widespread crimes committed on it. There's widespread crime on Telegram? The following day, a French judge extended Durov's initial period of detention, allowing police to detain him for up to 96 hours. It is absurd to claim that a platform or its owners are responsible for abuse of the platform. I don't really want to know who he is. An odd target. I just want to know what happened. What is he getting accused of? Meta's WhatsApp Messenger app is also encrypted and boasts 3 times as many users, while X's provocation for hate speech. And I just want to know what. So they're just like a question of moderation. I just want to know what he's accused of. Ah, here we go. This is a better title. Accused of failing to take action to curb the use of his messaging app for crime. The Russian-born founder of Telegram in Paris on Saturday has thrown the spotlight on the messaging app. Prosecutors said on Monday he was being held in custody as part of a cybercrime investigation. Here we go. Why did they arrest him? They arrested him because he failed to fight the use of services for crime. Oh. Including the spread of child sexual abuse material. Extremely rare to hold the providers of website liable for the actions of their users, and rarer still to append. What remains under is whether the alleged failures of Telegram are short. Oh, so essentially it's like they failed to like regulate the what people are doing on it. Huh. That's, I don't know. That's kind of like, that's a weird, how can someone who creates a product, right? Telegram, a messaging app, gets arrested for people misusing the app. Now, I guess what he could do is violate the privacy of each person and have his tech watch every single conversation and then kick users misusing the platform. But then isn't there privacy policies that protect us from things like that? And I totally get the like protecting people from doing this. Where was it? The spread of child sexual abuse material. That's disgusting and horrible. But how can he be responsible? Wouldn't it be like they would want to work with him to stop the people doing it, not arrest the guy who created the tech? Maybe it goes deeper than that, than what I understand. But it seems like this is getting a lot of attention. But it's just Telegram. I feel like Telegram's, it's just like a WhatsApp. Like a different kind of WhatsApp. I feel like Telegram's like a different type of Discord. Like it's not that big of tech, is it? Am I missing something here? And like, am I missing something that's so crazy about the tech on Telegram? That's crazy. That sucks. I hope the people that are doing that, though, get held accountable. I feel like that's what the authorities should be doing, is working with him to stop the people doing it. If they're worried about people who are doing horrible things like that, wouldn't they want to work with him to get those people doing the horrible things and not just arrest the guy who created the messaging app? That makes more sense to me. Man, it's just consolidating. So boring. I hate consolidation. Consolidation is like the worst thing in the market, in my opinion. It's so boring. So boring. It makes you want to go to sleep. This is so boring. I can't sleep in the daytime though. Once it's light outside, I cannot sleep. Ugh. Just boring. All right. I trust this chart if it broke out of this wedge way more than the other chart. Hey, BC and Nasif, the people from my Discord, if you're in here, thank you for interacting with my posts in the Discord. I love it. You guys are awesome. Thank you for doing that. All right, I'm not missing anything. Let's refresh the chat just in case. Here we go. Okay, it looks like price is about to test the bottom of our wedge. You know what? You know what I just thought? Is this chart like almost in the future? What time is this one at? Monday, August 26th at 10:35 a.m. Monday, August 26th, 10:35 a.m. No, they're just different. That's so weird. They literally look different. All right, now we're testing the bottom of our pennant again. How much time do we have on this candle? A minute? Okay, let's see. Let's see what it does here. What's up, bud? Yo, it's literally like almost, I feel like this chart over here just did what we're watching on this one. Like it's almost in the future. Like this one was this candle. Oh, there goes the breakout. All right, here comes, let's see the Heiken Ashi. Let's see, if I shorted this, put my stop loss 157.78. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to take this. I'm going to take this short. It broke out of the pennant. I'm going to take this short. And then I have my stop loss at the top of this one. I have my stop loss at the top of this one, but I think I want to adjust it. So we have the entry here. Okay. Okay, that's a 2-to-1. But I think I want to, this is a, what's this percentage? 0.71. They want to go to a 0.5%. Right there. That's a 0.5% on our stop loss. I think I'm going to put my stop loss right at that 0.5% mark. So we're going to adjust this down to there. Actually, you know, no. I'm going to hold it there. We're going to let this candle play out just in case. Remember last time we had these crazy wicks? I'm going to have it here. And then after this candle closes, if we don't get any crazy wicks that happen to get us to stop out, right? They do a stop loss hunt. Then I'll lower it down. Right now, I'm going to hold it up there just to give me buffer. So just in case there's crazy price movement. But it looks like we broke out of this pennant. And I want to ride, if we break out, I want to ride this downward momentum. Looks like we didn't get my initial desire of the tap on the retest on the VWAP, but hopefully we hold this breakout of this rising wedge. All right, let me actually adjust this to the spot I want to move it once it's done. Right there. That's where we'll move our stop loss once this candle's done. Currently, it's that green dashed line. But as of right now, we're going to I'm going to make it just nice and big so you guys can see it. I'm going to delete my arrow because I didn't actually delete my arrow. Delete this drawing. And we're going to watch this. Okay? See how this goes, all right? And we are in profit now. We're positive. There we go. $52 seconds, and then we'll probably adjust our stop loss. Oh man. Oh. Let's see the Heiken Ashi too. Good strong Heiken Ashi candle. I like that. See how this body of the Heiken Ashi, the body of it is now higher than the previous wick. I like that. That's good momentum. See how this body on this Heiken Ashi, what closed below the previous wick, not good momentum. When a Heiken Ashi body is above the previous wick, that's good momentum. We like that. We like to see that. And it looks like it's going to close, and we're going to get our next Heiken Ashi. Actually, I'm going to put it on we're going to do it on this Heiken Ashi, actually. Yeah, that's how I usually do it. Let's do it like that. Boom. Okay, we're going to confirm that. Oh, don't need to put in the password. Awesome. Okay. There we go. Yeah, now we want this next body to break above this wick too. This body of this candle break above and continue that momentum. Let's see what the VWAP is doing. Nice. I love the thing that I'm really stoked about. This Heiken Ashi opened outside of the wedge. That's good. We like that. We're looking for downward momentum, right? We're looking for bearish momentum. We're in a short sell. And we would love to see, what I would really love to see is a VWAP, a sharp move down on the VWAP. That would be also awesome. Oh, there we go. Come on, body of that Heiken Ashi. Break above that wick. Break above this wick right here. That'd be awesome. And right now our current ratio, what is our current ratio on this? 2.53. So this would be All right, that's one of our TPs right here. So we're gonna do, I'm gonna add a TP. Okay, what is this price? This price is 154.9. I'm gonna add a TP. 154.9. And we're gonna do 25% sell. So we'll do that. Okay, so it should be right at the bottom of this. We got a TP. Yep. So that's our first TP. Then let's move a little bit lower. So let's do like a 3. This will be our next TP. This TP is 154.04. $4.04. Another 25%. If we hit these two TPs, we've now made back our losses from that one trade and earned some profitability. Okay. So if these two get hit, 50% of our position will be out, and we'll have 50% riding on this. And then once this candle closes, I'll move my stop loss a little lower to the bottom of this Heiken Ashi right there. Okay, so let's zoom in a little bit more so you can see it again a little better. There we go. There you go. Now you see our position. And as soon as this candle closes, we're moving our stop loss down to the top of this right here. And I love, see how the body is above the wick? That's good move. Good momentum on the Heiken Ashi here. Beautiful momentum. That's really good. Ideally, we would have entered on the top here, but I drew the wedge too late. That's okay. That's okay. Or really on this candle. This was the engulfing candle. 50 seconds left on this candle here. Let's see let's wait until this one closes. And then we'll look at the 15-minute and see what the 15-minute's showing us. Oh, so now we're actually back to about break even on our price. I don't love that. That the body of the candle is now below the wick. Don't love that. Oh, look at that. Wow. Wow, that was a big push back. I'm going to push it down. Just in case if we get a reversal. And this is actually like a fake out. But we'll see. So now we're down. We're only risking 0.3% of our position. Okay. I'm probably going to hold that stop loss for a while. If it doesn't get stopped out, hopefully on this candle. But I would like to see it begin making a newer low. We want it to break this. We want it to break this price area. We want price to begin breaking down below this. And it did once. But we want it to hold below this line. That would make a lower low on this trend. There we go. Okay. See what price is going to do here. I hope it continues this bearish momentum, which I think with everything that we're seeing, it should be. We're in profit 250, so we're in a profit zone. But that stop loss is pretty tight, that if it decided to wick pretty crazy up and flip on us. We still got 2 minutes though left on this candle, so. And the reason why I keep my stop loss so tight is because if I'm so confident in this trade, it should not touch that stop loss. It should not go back that high. And if it does go back that high, that's a bad signal for my position, and I'm fine with it getting stop loss out and saving me from losing a lot more money than I should. And that's okay. I can always re-enter. But that's why I put it so tight, because if I'm confident in this trade, it should not return to this. Right? It should not return to this. Not within one candle, right? After I open it, it should not return back to that. But if it does, I get stopped out. It protects me from losses, and we get to reevaluate, right? And if I lose here, right? If I lose on this one, I get stopped out. I only have one more trade of the day to do. Okay, so I've already used one. I'm now on my second one. We'll see how it goes. And if this one loses, I only get one more opportunity of the day, then I'm done. Okay. That also will protect me in my mental mindset, my losses in the day, right? If I continue just opening up trades and losing, that's not good for you. You're gonna get you're gonna get frustrated, you're gonna get all worked up, you're gonna try to revenge. See, this is not a good signal on this momentum. The fact that it just went double wick, not good. I'm not happy with that. So if it gets stopped out, I'm fine with that, because it means I protected myself and I can reevaluate and pick a better decision. Oh, yeah. See, that's not good. That is not good. We'll see if it plays out. See what it does here. Let's see what that other chart's showing right now. Huh. Oh, there we go. I think we just got stopped out. Let's see. Yeah, we should have just got stopped out. And it looks like we lost. How much did we lose on that one? Ah, man, I wish it was easy to just see how much you lose. But it doesn't show it very easy. I wish it did. Okay. So, that's why we put our protection there, to protect us on our trades. Okay, so now we need to reevaluate. I got one more trade of the day, and we'll see how it goes. We'll close out this one because we're no longer using that. And maybe it's retesting our trend line here. Let me close out this one because we're not using these orders anymore. Let's see what it does here on this wedge right here. Wow, look at that. That's why I put it tight. Look how fast it shifts. That's why I put that tight stop loss. Let's see what it does here. Let me do this too real fast. So you have this area. I want to show you what I'm also seeing here. Now that we have a bunch of taps on the, I'm seeing this. Price touches here. It's resistance. Price touches in this area. It's support. We've had several touches in these. Maybe we'll finally get that VWAP retest. Ugh. You know what? I wonder if it'll reverse the trend. Let's see the 15-minute, what the 15-minute showing. Oh yeah, those are very wicky candles right there on the 15-minute. Oh my. See these wicky candles here? Just wick, 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 wick. Oh, and that 15-minute candle just had a big engulfing one. But see the VWAP, how it's sharp, getting sharper on the down momentum? I think we might... Oh, why do I keep doing the 3-minute? 5-minute. I think we might get that retest on the VWAP. It's working its way down. Dude, I gotta go to the bathroom again. Oh my gosh. Oh my lordy. I need to go to the bathroom again. I'll be right back. All right. I'm going to delete this wedge because maybe this wasn't an accurate drawing for myself. So I'm just going to delete that wedge. I'm gonna find what price is just doing here. Clearly, it's wicking off here. When price goes up in this box, it's done it twice, double top. And it's down here on this resistance point. It's touched it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times down here and bounced off. So these are pretty good indicators of price moving when it touches these two areas. And hopefully this price goes up. We touch this, the VWAP, which should give me a good retest then for a downward move. But we'll see. Ugh. Man, I wish it would show my long, short. Price. I don't know. I wish it would just show me like, oh, this last trade you did, negative or positive, whatever. No way. Did it not keep any of my drawings? Oh, no. I always forget I gotta save. All right, let's add our drawings again. Okay. Yeah. I think those are all the drawings we had. All right. Wait, where's our VWAP? Oh, there it is. It's hidden. There we go. I was like, wait, we're missing something. Okay. Bro, we better retest this box again. Telegram's Pavel Durov charged with 12 criminal accounts, but we've looked for those account charges, but I can't even find what the charges are. I'm interested to see what price does if it enters this box again. Because every single time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times it's touched this box, it's wicked off hard. So I'm interested to see if the price goes back down to this box, what is it going to do? Is it going to wick off hard or is it going to hold? Looks like it might not even touch the box. Oh, dang it. I just hit my knee on the desk. I hate consolidation. On the 15 minutes touched 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. And up here it's touched 1, 2, 3 times on the 15 minute. It is holding that 9 though. Like, see how it's holding this 9 day? The VWAP is below the 50. I just really want to see a retest on that VWAP. I think that would be the strongest indicator here. Maybe let's go here. While we're waiting for this to kind of play out, I want to show you what I like to do in studying what has happened in the past on the chart to see what could potentially happen here in the future. Okay, so let me show you what I like to do. Let's go to a clear bearish trend. Okay, let's go to a clear bearish trend, like a big one. Here we go. Let's do this one right here. So in this bearish trend, look at this. This is a clear bearish trend here. Right? You have price moves sharply up. Holy smokes. Look at that. Very sharp. Okay. Then price broke below the VWAP, right? As you can see here on this candle, price is, well, really this candle, price is below the VWAP. Boom. Price starts moving. Retest the VWAP. Could have been an entry. Boom. Go down. And moves sharply in a down direction, right? Now here you have some like consolidation. Boom, price moves up. Retest the VWAP. Bearish engulfing candle. Boom. Strong move down. Right? Push up. Doesn't touch the VWAP, but gets kind of close. Consolidate. I feel like we're in this right now. Just consolidation, ugliness, right? Price moves up. Tests the VWAP. Moves down again. Price moves up. Messing around with the VWAP, then a bearish engulfing candle there to a big move down again. So it looks like here the indicator is the VWAP. I need to be more patient and wait for price to test the VWAP, and I should be taking trades if price is not touching the VWAP. Because it seems like every single time it touches the VWAP, it bounces off in one direction or the other and gives you the indicator you need. And so I think I need to be more patient. And basically, if it's not at the VWAP, I should not be opening a trade. Because every time it's at the VWAP in a bullish one, right? Bullish, right? Every time it's at the VWAP is when price does something at the VWAP. Boom, right? We're down here at the VWAP. Boom. At the VWAP. This move right here. At the VWAP here. Boom. That's a good move right there. Right? So I need to be, now that I'm learning this indicator and my strategy a little better, for Solana, you need to be taking the trade when it, for me, I'm talking to myself right now. I need to be taking the trade when the price is touching the blue line, the VWAP, okay? And I should not be opening a trade if it is not touching the VWAP. I need to be waiting until it touches that VWAP. So that's something I've opened up 2 trades today. We've lost both trades. I have one more trade for the day to do. And it looks like right now price is actually entering the box on the top. Let's look at normal candles, see what it looks like. Right? Price touched our box, but it's not. Where is it not at? It is not at the VWAP. So I want to delete these, right? I want to delete these indicators just so they don't bother me. Oh, and look at that. Look at that. See that? Okay, good. All right. I want to see what price does here. Because what this could also do is flip. If price holds above the VWAP, now we go long. Right? If price holds above this, okay, we touched the VWAP, right? I think we're going to continue short, right? But I want to see what price does. I want to see what it does here, because in the past, when it touches VWAP, it doesn't just go one candle, then opposite candle. Like, look how much it messes around. Look how much it messes around at the VWAP, right? So I want to watch this and see what it does. Wow. Let's see what happens here. If price holds above the VWAP, this blue line, let's just do this. If price holds above this blue line, we go long. If price holds below the blue line, we go short. Okay? But this candle still got 4 minutes, so we got a lot of time. Just because it touches the VWAP doesn't mean you open the trade. You got to be patient and see what price does here. Wow, that's a big bullish candle though. Let's see Heiken Ashley actually, because what we also saw was a bearish engulfing candle. Okay, I think that's what I'll wait for. Price at the VWAP and then a bearish engulfing candle on the Heiken Ashley. Oh, it's a Monday. We're almost 3 hours in to the stream. We don't usually do 3-hour streams on Monday. I think this is going to be more of the rhythm now, especially with this new strategy, this new strat. All right, let's see what price does here. And we're looking with Heiken Ashley candles too, not the normal candles right now. Let's look at our other chart, see what that looks like too. Let's get rid of all this stuff. You know what, it could also be an indicator we add to this strategy is the MACD. Get these MACD lines up on the 5 minute. That could also help our, let's see. Let's actually do it on this chart. Let's do it over here on this one. Let's add indicators. Okay. Let's adjust the settings on this. Let's go light gray to dark gray. What? Oh, I meant to do light gray to a dark gray. Then this one will be a light blue to a darker blue. All right. And then MACD line, we'll make that one blue. And we'll make the signal line white. Or actually, let's do gray. Okay. Let's make these a little thicker. Okay. All right. That's our MACD. Now let's draw some lines on the MACD of where price likes to move. Okay, so we're just going to do simple horizontal ray. Oh, wait. No, we want a horizontal line. Yeah, horizontal line. So it looks like price likes to go right here on the 5-minute. Boom. And then down here, do right there. Okay. I think if we add this indicator too, it could be a strong indication too of what price is, or a strong piece of information of what price might do. I don't feel comfortable taking this trade yet because in the past it looked much different at the VWAP. All the candles were like on it, messing around on it. Let's also... All right. I do like that price touched the VWAP though, finally. If we get a bearish engulfing candle, that could be an indication of a good move, right? Like if this holds at a bullish candle right now, where it currently is at, the next candle, like this stays bullish and this next candle is a bearish engulfing, that could be an indication. But I don't know. In the past, it's just not how they looked. Let me look. Like here, it went like, it messed around at that, right? Here, it messed around at the see, they all like mess around at the, but they don't wick off like that, like it did today. I don't see any like today's where it wicks off that hard from the VWAP. That was a wick off and continued on. Huh. All right, 130 left on this candle. All right, how much left? 59 seconds. All right. Come on. Let's see what happens here. This one might almost be used as like a learning lesson. I might not even open the trade on this one, but it might be just like, oh, if it wicks off hard, we get a doji and then a bearish engulfing candle. That's a good indication, right? So I might use this as like just a learning lesson on like what the chart does, because I'm interested to see how the chart reacts after it wicks off very hard off the VWAP, then a doji candle. All right, 3 seconds. Oh, wait, no. 20 seconds, sorry. I need to make that larger. Scales. Canvas, maybe? Oh, here we go. There we go. They're much larger now. Oh, see, there we go. There we go. Let's see if it starts messing around at that. Now I can definitely see the countdown way better. Hey, if you're watching the stream right now, there's 58 people now. We literally just gained 2 more viewers. Thank you guys so much for being in here. We're currently waiting for price to touch the VWAP. We are waiting for price to come up here and touch the VWAP. We've tried to open 2 trades in this consolidation. They've both failed. My rule for myself is 3 trades a day if I start off with 2 losses, so I have 1 more trade to try to make back some profit or try to make back my losses for the day. But also, we have learned with our new strategy that this VWAP, we need price to touch this VWAP. So right now, we're waiting for the price to touch this blue line up here, which is the VWAP. And in the meantime, there's 58 of you. We have 50 people in our Discord. And so all of you that are watching are not in this Discord. And so I would love it if you guys would like to take part in our community, the Soul Maniac community. Join in our Discord. I share my trades outside of times I live stream. We're going to be doing game nights. We're going to be doing fun things to give back to you guys, my audience. We're going to do things that we maybe have some private learning sessions, like education sessions on things like the VWAP or the MACD or Heiken Ashi candles, or just private sessions of us trading together and learning with each other. So if you want to be a part of that community, go ahead, use the code on the screen and jump in our Discord. I'd love to have you guys in there and get to know you guys a little better and get to answer questions. And like, you guys will have direct access to me way more often. Pretty much Monday through Friday, Saturdays and Sundays. On the weekends, I try to stay out and just focus in on like family and stuff. But Monday through Friday, I'm active. I am trading. I'm finding the next opportunity for myself, and then also trying to share that with you guys. And then also with the content I'm creating, like outside of live streaming, the educational content we create, giving you guys some opportunity to speak into that of what we do or what we create and whatnot. So I would love to have you guys in the Discord. Code is on the screen, or you can use any link in my bio. Will also get you access to the Discord. So we would love to have you guys in there. There's 58 of you right now, so 8 of you at least are not in that Discord, maybe more. But looks like price is moving up. Like the MACD you can see is breaking above the 0. So looks like price is moving towards this blue line. And hopefully when the MACD, right, gets to this blue line, we see price start messing around at the VWAP and then a breakdown. So that's what I'm hoping for now. Because I really like the MACD. I'm a fan of the MACD indicator. Especially when you put those lines up and like you let it show you what's going down. I do like that. I do like the indicator a lot. See what normal candles are looking like. Ugh, I hate consolidation. It's just so boring. We want price action like this. We want a good, nice move. And I'm hoping here, as price is really close to this VWAP area, I'm hoping here that we get that price action we've been waiting for. Let me go back to that other chart and just see what it's showing. See how accurate or inaccurate it's being. Oh, see, now it looks the same. There we go. We can hop back and forth to them now. Let me get the we just got a new candle open. Okay, it's still pushing towards the VWAP. I hope I'm not missing any chats because my multi-stream thing is not showing any chats right now. What is going on? All right. Yeah. I don't think I'm missing any chats. See on YouTube. Okay, we're getting very close. I like what price is doing right now. See how the bullish momentum's slowing? And it's really close to that VWAP. I like that. That's what I'm hoping for right now. And I want that bearish engulfing candle. See this indicator? I want one of these over here, but when it's next to the VWAP. All right, good. We're not missing any chats. I just wanted to check in real fast. Yes. I love what I'm seeing. I love what I'm seeing, guys. Nice. Oh, we just got what was that? 3 more viewers? We're at 61 viewers now. Heck yeah. Welcome in. We're waiting right now. We're watching Solana. We're looking for our next trade opportunity, and we are looking to have price touch the VWAP here, mess around with it, and then get our bearish engulfing candle and take a short, or see, does price actually flip the VWAP, and do we actually begin going long instead of short? Will we actually have a reversal here on the VWAP? Let's look at the 15-minute too. Let's see what the 15 minutes doing. Yep, 15 minutes getting close to that VWAP. I'm going to delete this wedge too. You know what? Now that I'm looking at the MACD, we might actually have a little bit of a reversal here. Do you guys see what this? Like, see how the blue line's crossed above here? Heading towards the 0. We had a bullish engulfing candle. We might actually have a flip here. And go, and might have an opportunity to go long. Because look at here. See how it breaks through the VWAP, bounces around. Look at this. Breaks through the VWAP, bounces around right here. Boom. We might get something like this actually. Huh. But I can't make a decision until I see what price does. Okay, now we are at the VWAP. We are at the VWAP right now. I want to see if I can add an alert on the VWAP. Oh, what happened to my... What? Where'd it just go? Why did it just delete my... That was weird. Why did it do that? That was really weird. Okay, we are at the VWAP. Let's see what it... I actually am interested that maybe I had it wrong and that maybe it's going to actually continue in the bullish direction and pop off of here. Nine minutes on the 15-minute candle. So we got two more of these, 2 more 5-minute candles. I'm interested to see what happens here. I think we're very close to one trade opportunity, either long or short. We'll see what happens. We're getting close. This could be the final trade of the day. Or this will be the final trade of the day. Win or loss. This will be the final trade. I gotta stick to my rules. Maybe we'll have a stream on Wednesday where I go into detail on my rules. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe that'll be a Wednesday thing. We'll go into the details of the rules that I got for myself. And that you guys can implement too for you. Alright, it's breaking out. It's breaking. If this next candle is a bullish candle above the VWAP, I might actually go long. If it does like this, see how this candle's touching, but then the next one's above the VWAP? Well, not like that. That's not a good example. More like this one. See how the candle's at it, but then the next one closes above? Like here, closes above. It really is the next candle that matters, not this current one. The next candle kind of matters because the next candle is a doji candle, and then the net one that follows is a bearish engulfing. Then it's a short trend. Then we're gonna short sell. But if it's not a doji and it's like an actual 1 wick bullish candle above the VWAP, ooh. We'll see, though. I gotta see. I gotta see. I think momentum's shrinking here, actually. It did make a new all-time high, though, here. Not all-time high, sorry. From this little consolidation box. Look at this. It broke out of the consolidation box. See how it's like just bouncing around in here? Price touched down as low as, or we can go like this, right? Kind of bounced around in here, been wicking off, and now it actually has a candle breaking out. I think we might be flipping too long. Yeah, right now I'm in longs. All right, 5 seconds till the next candle. Let's see what this next one's at. I think we're gonna be going bullish. Yeah. I haven't opened the trade yet. Because this candle has 5 minutes in it. This candle could switch still to a doji candle. All right. We'll see though how it goes. And we could still get our bearish engulfing candle. But if it starts giving strong momentum in the upward direction, then oh yeah, so like see if this continues on, I'll probably be entering in a long position once this candle closes. If this continues in this momentum, one, the price is above the VWAP. Two, it's outside of our box of consolidation here. Three, the MACD is in a strong move to up, and if you go to the 15-minute, 15-minute MACD also just crossed it, is in strong move, right? 15 minutes also outside of the box, touching the VWAP. There's a lot of things that are indicating that maybe we don't go short anymore. Maybe we go long. But I think this is the candle that kind of lets us know what we do next. Also, if you're watching the stream right now while we're waiting for this to happen, if you're in our Discord, we have a vote that says that is going on a poll in the community poll tab that if you would prefer I do these streams earlier in the day, later in the day, or even in the nighttime, you get to vote on what time I do the stream. So if you want to have a say on the time I do the stream so you don't miss out, go vote in that poll. Right now we have 5 votes. I think, let's see if we got more. Yeah, we're at 5 votes. And right now, morning is still winning. So it's 3-2 right now on the votes, and that people want morning over afternoon or evening time. So if you were like, no, I want you to start streaming in the afternoon or the evening, go vote. Go put in your vote so we can change for you if you guys would like. But as of right now, it looks like we're continuing to keep the morning time. And then our next vote, once we get this one done, it's got 46 hours left. So Wednesday will be when the vote ends. Then we'll vote on the time I start. What you guys would prefer, what time I start within that time frame. So if it's a morning time, it'd be 8 a.m., right, to 11 a.m. PST between that starting time. And then you guys will get to pick when we start our new streams, what times we start them at. So if you want to take part in that vote and have a say in what time we do our streams, go ahead, jump in the Discord, go vote for that. It's up. We got 46 hours left in the vote. It'll actually probably be done tomorrow night, I think. No, I think it's Wednesday. I think it's done on Wednesday. It doesn't tell me like the exact time, I don't think. Yeah, no, it doesn't tell me the exact time it ends, but okay, so it looks like momentum on the bullish is slowing. See how this wick failed to go higher? But we got to see. The next candle, this candle's pretty important. The fact that it popped outside the box, that's pretty good indications. We might get a bearish engulfing candle here actually. See that? Ooh. Once this candle closes, I'm gonna check back on the normal candles to see if we got a bearish engulfing candle there. We would need this body to go down a little lower. I don't know if we will see that or not. All right, let's see. What's the next candle gonna give us? 10 seconds on here. Oh, I'm very excited because either way, there's one opportunity coming here with this tap on the VWAP. Yo, are we gonna get give me a bullish doji candle? Give me a bullish doji candle or engulfing candle, baby. Let's see. We didn't get a bullish engulfing candle here. Oh, let's see what price does here on the VWAP. See how it's like messing around? It touched, came back. It's messing around on the VWAP, right? We might actually end up going short here. See how it's rejecting though? I'm gonna zoom in real nice and tight on this candle. See what happens. See, we get the big picture. This is the candle we're watching. Okay, this is an important candle right here. Let's just look at this. I want to get rid of that MACD. All right, there we go. See what happens here. See what goes down. Oh wait, did we get a new 15-minute candle too? We did. We just got a new 15-minute candle too. See that one? Touching the VWAP. Oh my gosh, I hate it when I do that. Whoa. Okay, I'm not going off this indication, but 3 minute just got a bearish engulfing candle, but I've never used the 3 minutes, so I'm just gonna ignore that. Yo, is this... Oh, man. What is happening here? What is happening? All right, I'm just going to focus in on this. Stop looking at a bunch of other stuff. We're just going to focus in, see what the candle does here. Hands are off. All right, I'm done running around looking at things. We're going to see what price does here. Oh my gosh. Yo, if we get this bullish doji candle like this, and then the next one's a bearish engulfing, that could be pretty crazy. If we get a bearish engulfing on this next one, sorry, I keep mixing them up. If we get a bearish engulfing on this next one, that could be pretty massive. All right, 10 seconds. Let's see what happens here. Did we get a bearish doji or a bullish doji? Okay. Dependent on the way the current candle closes, I will be opening a trade potentially. It's all dependent on if this candle closes a bearish engulfing candle. It needs to engulf the body of this bullish candle. That's the only way I'm opening up a short position. But right now, the way it's holding that VWAP, I might actually have a long position opportunity. Yo, is that the long opportunity right here? Man, it's messing around hard on this VWAP. Nice. We're almost at 70 viewers. Almost at 70 viewers. Thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out. We might have a trade opportunity right now. We're watching this VWAP right here, this blue line. We're seeing what's going down with price. And depending on what this current candle does or the next, we might have an opportunity. If this goes bearish engulfing, I'm gonna do a short position here on Solana. But if it continues in this bullish, this might be the long. Like, see how it held that VWAP perfectly on that? That might be the long opportunity too. I think this candle's the deciding factor on what we do next. And we got less than 2 minutes left on this candle. So I think this candle's the deciding factor. If it goes bearish engulfing, we're doing a short. But if it continues like this and holds this, I think I'm going to go long and put my stop loss at the bottom of this box. And this is my final trade of the day. Final trade of the day here. If it holds, though, here, bullish engulfing, I think I'm going long. And I think I might put it on the bottom of this wick. This wick candle, the previous candle next to it. We'll see though. I'm still learning this strategy, so I'm a little like, I'm trying to be very safe here on this strategy because I'm still learning the VWAP. I wish I would have saved my previous trades for when we got to here like I thought that we would, and we did. Which now is a reminder to myself, like, hey, listen to yourself. Wait until it touches the VWAP. Do not trade until it touches this blue line. Don't be stupid. All right, 45 seconds. Let's see what happens. Literally, at this point, anything could happen with this. This could go bearish engulfing, or this could continue on. Let's see. All right, 15 seconds about. 15 seconds left. Oh. Okay, I'm going to go long here. Oh, shoot. All right, I went long. Okay. We are long now on this position, and I'm going to add a stop loss right below this previous wick, this candle's wick. I'm going to be very conservative here on this one. Which that price is 158.66. I think we have a reversal here. And we would lose $651 here on this one if our stop loss hit, okay? Hopefully we do not hit a stop loss again. We've hit our stop loss twice already today. But we did not wait. We were trading in this. And this. Horrible. We should have waited for the VWAP. Price has now touched the VWAP and actually held above the VWAP, which confirms a potential trend reversal going long. So that's my thesis here. We're going long here. And hopefully on this 5-minute time frame, we can ride this new trend on this VWAP. We'll see. But we're keeping our stop loss very tight and very conservative. Let's put a short position up so you can see that. Oh, wait. Not short. Sorry. We went long. We went long. Okay. I'm pretty confident in this trade right now. I feel pretty confident. The other ones I did not feel very confident because we weren't at our VWAP, but now we are at the VWAP. I'm going to put a TP too. I don't usually trade with TPs, but I'm going to start trading with TPs more at this top of this 2-to-1 ratio. And I'm going to do a 25% TP. Okay, so we did add, what's the price on this? 160.3. We'll do that. 160.3, right? Was that correct? Yeah. 0.3. And then we're going to do 25%. What's a 50%? All right. 25. So should go for 1%. There we go. Let's do that. 160.79. Oh, shoot. The one thing I kind of struggle to understand is how do people figure out where to put their take profit? Like, how do you figure that out? I just based it off of 1%. So we're risking 0.3% to earn 1%. Or like a quarter of it because we're only taking 25% profit there, not a full TP. I don't even know what a full TP there would be. But I'm feeling confident. The fact that price is above the VWAP now, I'm feeling confident with that. Let's see what the candles are looking like too. I'm just gonna go off Heiken Ashi. Going on, I'm gonna keep it simple. Stop giving myself all this information, and we're gonna keep it simple. All right, let's see what happens here. Let's see what the 15-minute is showing too. Okay. Are we getting a new candle right now? We should be, right? Yeah, we should be getting a new candle right now. Where's our candle? Gotta refresh. Oh. Oh no. Was I wrong here? Are we about to get our bearish engulfing candle? Oh man, I'd be so bummed. I'm gonna move my stop loss up, just in case if I'm wrong here. That would be a bummer. Oh, I think I'm wrong. That's a bummer. So clearly I have more to learn with this new strategy, because I think we're about to get stopped out. Man, that's a bummer. And I've used my last trade for the day. I thought for sure with price above the VWAP, that would have been it. All right. That's a bummer. See, it's not done yet. I still could be in the game. I still could be in the game here, but that would really suck if it did now what I wanted to do. But I'm not going to take a trade if... Oh. Why is my chart not showing my information? But we got stopped out. Okay, now it's showing my information. Okay, we got stopped out. Well, that's a learning lesson for me. Okay. I thought for sure with price, especially that third right here, these doji candles and this third one, I thought for sure that price was above that. But now look at, I think we're getting that bearish engulfing candle we were wanting. Wow, maybe I just got like... Maybe I'm putting my stop loss too tight. Maybe that... I think that's what it is. I think I might be putting my stop loss too tight and not letting the trade play out. But I don't know. I don't know. Because when I look back in previous times, right? When it hits that VWAP and does when it's a confident trade, it plays out the right way, right? So see here, it broke out, held, and it held. When it holds, right? And it's not holding, so like right here, when it holds, the next candle, it holds. Here, yeah, I don't think I'm putting my stop loss to. I think I'm just wrong. I wonder if we're about to get this short opportunity that we've been waiting for. I'm not going to take a trade, though. I'm done with trading. I did my 3 trades. So if I had one more trade, this is what I would do right now. Let's see. Let's do a test. Right? This is going to be a practice trade. And this is what you guys can do to practice yourself, right? I would try to enter right on the bottom of this guy, or right when this candle opened, right? Which my entry probably would have been like here, okay? Put my stop loss at the back of this candle, the previous candle, okay? This is what I would have done now, that if I would have waited for this. Okay, that's where my stop loss would have been, the back of this one. Entered right about the top of this wick, right? Which would have been like probably the box. And then we ride this guy at least to the bottom of the box for profit. Okay. So this is practice. We're simulating this right now. Seeing if it's, seeing if we should have waited for this trade instead. We do not have a trade open. Okay. Let's see if this one would have played out. And right now, this is playing out much better than this one did. Because this one is also a bearish doji. Bearish doji, which I think is a good indicator for the reversal of like, all right, look, it's at the VWAP, bearish doji, enter. Now we hold this downtrend. And this would be crazy. If this one actually does and makes new lows and stuff, man, that's good for tomorrow's trades, right? Like you don't let this get you down. That's why you put your stop losses, right? If I didn't put stop losses, then I'm like so much more frustrated because now I lost way more money than I ever should have, right? All that stuff. But that's why you put stop losses tight. You minimize your risk, and then you take notes. That, like, for me in my head, I'm taking notes. Okay, next time when it's in the VWAP on the 5-minute time frame, I need to let it play out more. Or honestly, maybe I stop watching the 5-minute and just watch the 15. Right? Maybe the 15 is the better time frame to watch, and I stay away from the 5-minute. Right? And maybe that's just something I need to learn. Like, don't go to the lower time frame. Stay in maybe the upper time frame. But right now, at least I know on the 5-minute, like, hey, if it's touching the VWAP, give it a little more time. Like, you need stronger indications in order to open the trade. And if you had a strong downward momentum, it's going to continue that and not break it. So right now we're definitely in profit in this, right? We're holding very nicely in profit. Too bad it's a fake trade, right? But this is a learning lesson. We're doing this completely just to train ourselves and teach ourselves something new. Because right now, this is a way stronger indicator. And also to take note, the MACD was pretty close to our blue line up here. Right? It wasn't like it was down here. It was up here. So another thing I could have paid attention to. I tried to ignore it because I wanted to focus in on just the VWAP and price action. But I don't think I should have ignored this. Yeah, we're in profit. We're in profit here. Let's see. Let's go to normal candles. Yeah, we're doing good in profit on this fake trade. Let's see what this next candle is. So now that candle close, I would now, my normal rhythm, I would move my stop loss now to the bottom of this candle. Let's see if we would get stopped out when I do that. Or not this candle, sorry. Sorry. I would move it to this candle. Yeah, see, that's way better momentum. Right? So let's go to normal candles now just to watch what price is doing. Yeah, it's pushing down. Ooh. That's a 1% move, but I think it's better to go to the bottom of the box. All right. Let's see what happens here. Was that a bearish? No, it's a doji. That's right. That's a doji. Thing is, though, this did make a new high, right? These highs, new high, potential new trend. And this one's below the VWAP now. See how that candle, see how this candle opened up below the VWAP? But even the momentum on normal candles is slowing. All right, we got a minute left in this candle. If this candle doesn't start building some momentum, I don't know. I don't know. If this doesn't go this way, then I'm gonna have to do some more learning on the VWAP and this new strategy. Let's see what the MACD is showing. No, the 5 minutes about to cross. The 5 minutes about to cross the white, which is a bearish indicator. Let's see. Does it? It's got 30 seconds left in this candle. I want to see it start pushing down. And I think these next two candles will give kind of an indication on, is this going to continue in the bearish momentum, or is it going to actually fail and like continue to consolidate? Are we going to get some price action here to move down to the bottom of this box, or is it going to like mess around at the top of this box and kind of just do some weird stuff? Weird price movement. All right, let's see. Okay. That's not strong indication on bearish move. And then what I would do, because I would be scared now, not scared, but I'd be a little nervous on this trade. I would now put my stop loss there. Let's see what happens. See if I get stopped out, or let's see if we continue this. We get a win here. And this, right? It's a fake trade, right? We're practicing. We're trying to learn here. Because we used our 3 trades for the day. Oh, see? This is probably going to get stopped out. I'm very interested to see what happens here. If this trade honestly gets stopped out, I'm a little confused on what I'm doing wrong here, or what I'm reading wrong here on this indicator. If this one gets stopped out, I'm definitely a little confused on like, how do I read the VWAP a little better? And I'll do some more research today again. But this should play out exactly how I think it will in regards to a downward momentum. It should. With what I understand how you read the VWAP indicator. Oh, there we go. Okay. This candle will tell us, I think, what happens next. Do we continue on or do we get stopped out? This candle is the one that will tell us. Oh, I don't think we're going to get stopped out, actually. This momentum's continuing on in the bearish direction, and it's strengthening. I really wish I was able to catch the morning one. I really wish I was there for that. All right, less than 2 minutes on this candle. This one's going to tell us. This candle, I think, tells us if we get stopped out or not. If it continues to grow in the bearish momentum, and then the next candle's a single wick bearish, I think we understand that we need to wait and be more patient when it touches the VWAP and wait for that bearish signal. But we'll see. It's got a minute and a half left. Yo, are we gonna hit 100 people today in the stream? We're at 75 right now. Will we have a 3-figure stream? 100 people? Can we get 100 people in this stream? If you're in the stream, please give it a like, share, comment, whatever you feel comfortable doing. Chat up with me, ask me questions, whatever it is. Any engagement is super helpful in supporting what we do here. And I hope this stream has been educational for you. I hope you learned something. I hope as I am trading and I'm learning, you guys also do the same. So, yeah, thank you so much for being here in the stream. All 75 of you. I'm super grateful. Seriously, I'm very, very grateful to have you guys be a part of the stream. All right, 15 seconds left. Let's see. I think we're right. I think we're right on this. I wouldn't move right now. I would not move my stop loss lower. All right, that's good. I think we just learned something new today. I think we learned something new today. So when it touches VWAP, you need to be more patient. Yep. I think that's what it is. Let's see what the MACD. Oh, and look at the MACD. See the MACD just crossed? Dang. Oh, man, that's a bummer. That's a bummer we used our 3 trades and we lost. But this is a simulated trade right now. And we're okay, we learn. Tomorrow, hopefully, is a better day. Tomorrow's hopefully a better day in trading. But today we lost. We didn't do good today. We're down. But it's okay. We got 4 more days in the week. Last week, we ended the week with... I have a snapshot. $2,500 in profit. And this week, I'm hoping with this new strategy, we can do even better. We can do it even better. I'm hoping we get this week a 5K week or more. Because I think when I get this strategy down, when I really start nailing it and being consistent, I think this strategy is going to be a game changer for me. Let's see the 15-minute. Oh, look at the 15-minute. Okay. That's a learning lesson right there, too. I think I might start focusing on the 15-minute over the 5. Because look at that. If I would have watched the 15-minute, I would have saw the doji candle. Right? We would have saw this, and I would have never guessed to take a trade yet because I hadn't break it out. Watch this one. Doji, enter, boom. Yeah. Oh, this one's now a double wick. I could be wrong still. This could change, but I think we are right on this. That this is the way to do the VWAP. This is how you do it. You need to be more patient. Wait for the bearish candles to enter in once it's at the VWAP. But this trade has been the most profitable trade yet today. We have not had a trade go this much in profit today, at least. I want to see if I can jump. I don't know if Beard is in this chat right now or Beard is watching. I would love to jump on a call with Beard and get his mind, like pick his brain on how the heck did he pick to take the trade last week when he was chatting. Right now it's holding the 9 too. So it broke down the VWAP. It's holding the 9, right? It's holding the 9-day movement. Maybe that's why I need to just leave these up. I had these closed up. I had these not visible. Right? So it moved up, right? Hit the VWAP, started bending down. Now it's respecting the 9. Let's see if it continues to respect the 9. Oh, man, dude. Oh, my gosh. Oh. All right, it's still respecting. It's pushing down further. I think what would be kind of key if this candle closes above the 50-day moving average, which is that red line. If this current candle can push its body past the 50-day moving average, I think that would actually be a bullish indication, or bearish. I mean, we're looking for bearish indication. Okay. Yep. Let's see the MACD again on the 5. Yeah, look at that. Well, we learned. This is the most profitable trade today, and it's fake. Most profitable trade today, and it's fake. That's a bummer. And if you guys watching this, you're like, I don't know if I want to do futures trading. You could literally do what I just did. I just showed you how to practice paper trading. And when you didn't even have a paper trading account, like literally we entered, right? We said, boom, I'm going to enter on this trade. Stop loss there. Okay, I'm going to move it up. All right. Still hasn't hit. Okay, I'm going to move it down. Momentum's continuing on. Let's move it down even further, right? You could do that. You could simulate this same kind of trade as you're practicing your trading. And do it with all you need is this tool, the long or short position tool, and you just throw it in when you're ready to do the trade. Boom, you add it in. You say, this is what I'm gonna do. This is where I'm gonna put my stop loss. Let's see what happens. Okay, so now you just saw a way to practice your trading. If you keep losing, if you're not doing well, or you're learning a new strategy, do what I just did. Practice this way. I think now what I would do with my stop loss too is I just move it to break even. So now we're riding free. So now my stop loss, if I had this position, I'm moving it to break even and we're done. And then I would wait to move my stop loss again until I see a move, like a move down and then a little correction. And I'd probably move my stop loss to that correction to guarantee some profit. Because I think now with this current move, I think we make a new lower low on this. I think this goes down and breaks these lows here. We'll see though. So right now this trade would guarantee we don't lose money. If we opened it, we would not be losing money. We wouldn't be making money, right? But we wouldn't be losing money. I think actually what I would do because I've taken so many losses today, I took 3 losses. If I was in this trade for real, to secure profit, to guarantee I make money instead of lose money, I'd actually probably move my stop loss up to this. If this closes with 1 wick, I would move my stop loss up to this one, because then I'm like guaranteed this will probably make you, like, from the type of trade I do, probably like $400 or $500. I bet it would be right here. And so that would like add a little bit more money to our if it did get stopped out, we'd actually be adding to the fund instead of just not earning anything. So actually, if I took 2 losses in the morning and like went for the last trade of the day and this was it, I would actually probably be very conservative and just lock in profit. So actually, if this candle closes 1 wick, I'm moving it up, just so I can simulate what I do in real life. And this one's got a minute left. A minute left on this candle. So if this closes 1 wick, I'm moving mine up. And I think it will. It'd take a big move for this to go double. Oh. All right, 30 seconds. Let's see what happens. I think I'm moving it. All right, 10 seconds. Let's see if we get to move our stop loss up. I think we do. 2, 1. Yep. Okay, so I'd move. Oh. I move my stop loss up to here, and then my TP or my my entry is going to be where my TP would be on the long position. So my entry was 158.54. Oh, wait. Whoops. There. That's where my entry was. So where my stop loss is where my entry is. Now my stop loss is where the entry line is. If that makes sense. It's just an easy way to do it. Let's see the MACD. MACD's still continuing on. And the 9-day, this white line is very close to crossing the green line. Oh, but look we might get stopped out. Which would be fine because, right, I moved it up. We make money. So if this simulates that I get stopped out, this trade would be done and we actually would have made money here. It wouldn't have been a lot, but we would have made a little bit of money. Oh, yeah, see? It got stopped out. So now this trade is done. Yep. And I would be very grateful that I did that, right? Because now I secured profit instead of securing a loss and losing profit, right? Right? So, okay, so this trade's done. This is what we ended up making. Let's put it back to here, right? We'll see what we actually made, right? We put our stop loss here. We earned, I put my stop loss here. So 18% or 0.18%. 0.18%. Let's see what that would have been. Wow, look at that wick. I went all the way back to our entry. Yeah, I'm glad I would have done that. So if we would have taken a position, it would have been 174, 344 point. We'll say 6. Now multiply that by 0.18. Wait, no. That's not right. Sorry, I messed that up. 174, 344. 0.6 multiplied by 0.0018. We would have made about $313. Can you guys see that? We would have made about $313 on that trade. Okay? So it's better than losing money, right? But we would have made some money on that trade. But this is weird right now. It looks like it's about to retest the VWAP. So if anything, we would secure it. If we had more trades after this, we could see if it's going to retest the VWAP and see if we're going to get another indicator to maybe go short again. But let's see. The MACD is still, yeah. All right. Well, that was a learning lesson there. The learning lesson today was this. We should have never opened the trades inside of this. Okay? We should have waited for price to get to the VWAP. Okay, that's lesson number 1 today. When we're trading, we do not trade when it's not near the VWAP. If we're entering it, we wait until price is at the VWAP. Now, if price is in a short or a bearish trend like it was here, right? It had this trend, made a lower high, boom, a big bearish trend, right? It was in a bearish trend. We went for a long position here because we thought on the 5-minute it was going to move forward. Because it's in a bearish trend, we stick with the trend. Unless we get higher confirmation, which we did not, we stick with the trend. So we should have waited for this candle, entered on this candle, right? We should have entered here on this candle, and then we ride for this profit. But yeah, that's a learning lesson. That's a learning lesson for the day that we have. And now it's like it's going back to the VWAP to retest again. So if we waited for this trade, we could have made about $313. Waited for price to get back to this VWAP, right? And let's see what the 15 minutes doing. 15 minutes even keep being kind of weird. Huh. Let me see what the 1 hour is doing. I want to figure out how I could have done better, right? Is this a bullish engulfing candle? Nope. We did have this bearish engulfing candle here, though. I think what we need to do is, today's done with trading. Today we're done trading. Oh, 15-minute actually got a bearish engulfing candle. On this chart, you see that? Bearish engulfing candle here. Okay, so we learned today. Hopefully tomorrow's a better day. If you would like to know how I trade tomorrow, because I don't live stream on Tuesdays, hop in the Discord. I'll be sharing with you guys if I do trades tomorrow. I'll be sharing you. Maybe I'll even just go into the Discord while I'm actively trading and just hop in a voice channel and share my screen as I'm working and trading. And you guys can just come and hang out, ask questions in the VC, and literally could talk to me too while I'm doing it. So hop in the Discord. The code is on the screen right now. It should be like, let's see. Right there. Right there is the code. Okay? Type in that code, join the Discord, hop in the community. Trading's just one aspect of the things we do in there. Okay? There's the things like I think this week we're going to do a game night on Friday. There's other things that we're going to do. So, yeah. Come hop in the Discord. If you're a fan of the Soul Maniac channel, the Soul Maniac profiles, we'd love to be with you in there. It's basically a place for my audience to network, to get to know, and for me to get to know you guys. But yeah. Also, I want to let you guys know we do have an update. We do have an update for our Soul Maniac. Okay, we have now an intern. We have now an intern. Okay, it's a real person. He was here on the Friday stream. Okay, he's my intern. He's the Maniac intern. He's going to be helping me grow. He's going to be helping me video edit, videographer. He's going to be traveling me to Solana Breakpoint. Like, he's going to be my right-hand dude. I'm super stoked to have him. But if you want to follow him, go ahead, follow him. Maniac intern is literally his handle. So go follow him. He's a U. This is his U, right? He went DGOD mode. And so, yeah, shoot him a follow. And yeah, just go show him some love. Go show him some love on his profile. Welcome him in. But I'm super stoked to have him. But yeah, that's Monday's stream, guys. Thank you so much for being here. We will be back here on this coming Wednesday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you don't like that time and you'd rather me stream another time, go in the Discord and vote for the community poll that you get to decide what time I stream. Okay, so that's also something we do in the Discord. But yeah, happy Monday. It's a great start to the week. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And yeah, Maniac's out. We're done. We're done.